what the falafel do you have on?
Bro, are you serious right now? Do you even know what day it is?
Tuesday, yeah. It's Tuesday.
Yeah, now you know, right? Yeah?
Yeah, I know what day today is, of course. It's Taco Tuesday. Tyrannosaurus Tuesday. Theodore Roosevelt Tuesday. Tenedor Tuesday. Tandoori Tuesday.
You see this? It's Tiffany Tuesday. It's Tiffany Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday.
Oh!
Already got a T-vote, man. Don't worry about it.
No, silly! It's the new segment on my YouTube channel where I paint random things Tiffany. You know what? Hold on. Enough of me talking. Just watch this. Oh, this way, over here. Follow me, come on. What is going on, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? I'm David Got Kicks. Welcome to a brand new video. And for today's video, I'll be doing a quick custom on some Jordan 1s. Before we start this video, if you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I need you guys to stop what you're doing and go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is at David Got Kicks. Same thing on here. You guys can stay updated with me. You guys can know when I post a new video. So if you don't see me post anything on here, I'm probably posting something on Instagram. Enough of me talking. Let's just get right into the video. It's Tiffany Tuesday. As you can see in front of me, I have a box, but not just any box, it's a Nike box. Actually, it's not even a Nike box, it's actually a Jordan box. What do you guys think's inside the box, eh? Obviously a Jordan 1. Okay, kinda just gave it away, but oh well, let's get right into it. As you can see, if you guys remember from one of the previous videos, I did a custom glitter light Jordan green edition. And now I think it's time to return the favor and do this side with some glitter lights. These are the glitter lights that I will be using today. As you can see, it's kind of got a Tiffany shine to it. It's that ice blue, and this is the closest thing to Tiffany blue. So I figured since we already have the base already painted Tiffany like this, we might as well go over it with the glitter lights. Let's take out all the materials that I will be using for today's video so we can begin this custom. These are literally all the materials that I will be using for today's video. This is going to be a quick custom, and I'm going to show you the power of these glitter lights. Of course, the first thing that we will be needing is the sneaker itself. The base color to this was a Yin and Yang Jordan 1. I made a separate full video to painting this. If you guys want to go back and watch this video, I'll have a link popping up right about now. Angelus Direct does have their own paintbrushes, and these are the best and the only ones that I will ever use for the rest of my entire life. Alright, David, relax. As well as the glitter lights, these were also purchased on angelusdirect.com. I will leave a full link in the description down below for all your customizing and restoration needs. Just a quick little tip, so even when you finish the whole custom with the glitter and you wash out the paintbrush, there will still be little glitter inside of the paintbrush. I don't know if you guys can see. And the reason I'm telling you this is because if you use the same paintbrush and you want to work on another custom, you might get some of that glitter where you don't want it. So from now on, this is my glitter paintbrush. I used it for green. Now I'm going to use it for this Tiffany color. So yeah, without wasting any more of you guys' precious time, you guys are here for a somewhat custom touch-up detail glitter light custom Tiffany Tuesday. Somewhat, kind of, sort of, not really. Yeah, it is custom. I just realized that I forgot one beautiful color, the most beautiful color in the whole entire world. The reason I'm gonna use some gift box blue is so I can cover up the Wings logo. Let's begin this custom. while. So let's just take a quick look at what the shoe is looking like right now. And honestly, I am just blown away. I love the way that this is looking like right now. This was before. It's that simple to make a regular looking pair of shoes look like a pair of shoes that no one has ever seen before. I can guarantee you, if you paint a shoe like this, no one else in your school, in your neighborhood, maybe even in your state, maybe in the country. All right, relax. We still got this side to do, so let's finish up this side. Thank you guys so much for watching that video, and if you guys did enjoy that video in any way, if it made you feel good in any way at all, right now would be the time to let me know and to leave a thumbs up for me. If you didn't like the video at all, you can still leave a thumbs up for me. It really does help and support me. Comment something down below that you would like to see me paint Tiffany. I've done 31 Tiffany Tuesdays. I painted 31 different things. So comment something down below that I haven't already done and that you would like to see done. But that's about it. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram to stay updated with me. And I'll talk to you guys next time for the next video. It is your boy David Got Kicks. Tiffany God. Peace.
It's Tiffany Tuesday!
For help if I really need it. I can't really say I hope you see me. Truthfully, I'm fighting feelings I don't think I need it. You need this? Probably more than anybody.